like lace wear, lace wear. Hey ladies, if you're here, welcome to another video. Today I'm bringing you the most asked for video. Let's get into this hair. This hair is the bomb.com. The wet look is out of this world. It's giving beach vibes. Let's go to the beach. Hey, it's giving mermaid. It's growing out of my scalp, and you can't tell me shit. Go and argue with your keyboard. But yeah, I'm loving it. It got me feeling myself, and I'm here for it. Yo, I'm so beautiful. Jeez. Anyway, guys, let's get into the unboxing. I got this hair from Alipearl. Thank you, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. In the box, we have the hair itself. We have a brush for laying your edges. We have a satin bag to store your hair for when you're not using it. We have 2 HD wig caps. We also have lashes. Yay! And then it comes with a hairband for you when you are laying your lace. In the box, we also have this magnifying mirror, so you can be looking at your lace as you install it as close as possible. Let's get into this hair, guys. Yo, you can see that it's really well packaged, that your lace is not going to be deformed when you are getting your hair. The hair itself is a 20 inches deep wave wig. The lace is HD. You can already see that it's melting on my arm. 13 by 4 frontal. And the amazing thing is that it comes pre-plucked and bleached as well. It has a band at the back, so you can size it to your fitting. I got my wig into a large cap wig so that it can fit my big head, and the curls are giving so far. It's so soft, you can't imagine. Anyway, guys, let's get into the installing. Some people like to wear their wigs without caps, but I find it hard, especially because I have so much hair on my head. So I prefer wearing a cap. And then first of all, these edges, the hair that came out, because my hairstyle, these cornrows are so old, I have to lay them inside with the rest of the hair so I can make space for where I'm going to lay the lace, just because my hair is almost in my brows, especially on the sides of my hair. So I used got2b glue spray to lay my hair. I'll give it a time for it to dry so we can start the process. But before then, I have to remove the makeup in the perimeter where I'm going to lay my wig so that it's dry and, with no products or oil whatsoever. With foundation, my normal foundation, I'm trying to make my wig cap look like my skin. It was too light, for my skin color. And then we put on the wig. You guys, this wig is already giving. You can see that it has disappeared into my skin. I'm so amazed. So this process helps us see how the wig is going to be fitted before laying it, so that you can adjust the sides and the middle part to make sure that it's well fitted. But I'm seeing that the lace is not really that bleached. It needs more color for it to blend in with my skin color. With the same foundation, I'm just going to tint it to my color, and voila, it's much better. So yeah, now we can go ahead and start installing the hair, making sure the middle part align with my nose part. You guys, I struggled with like for 2 hours with an expired glue that I had. So I had to go to the supermarket and get a new glue. This one is easy to use. You just spray 2 to 3 layers, wait for it for like 1 minute for it to get tacky, and then add another layer until you are satisfied with the tackiness, depending on how long you want it to last. You guys, I was so impressed on how this glue worked. Compared to the white glue I normally use, this one is the best option, and then it's sensitive skin friendly, so that was the best choice for me. So in the middle of finding glue and everything, I removed my wig, but the whole time when you are putting glue, make sure that you lift your wig just further from your hairline, but not completely out of your head, so that you can bring it forward in the exact spot you're supposed to put it on. Just when the glue is tacky, you just bring the wig forward and start blending it into the glue, the tacky glue space. So you can see that it just went and sit on top of my hairline, and I'm obsessed. With a comb, I'll be combing through to make sure that there is no hair stuck into the lace and the skin. I only want the skin and the lace, and that's on period. After tying it, waited for 15 minutes. Now the hair and the lace is one. It's time to cut off the lace with scissors. I'll just like in a zigzag form cut off the lace. We don't want it to be straight lines. We just want to mimic our hairline. I'm starting from the front, just because the sides are too much of work, and you can always adjust it when you've missed a place on the side. The same process, just make sure that instead of cutting too close to the hair, cut further so that you can adjust whenever you feel like it. So you don't want to cut exactly where the hair starts, just to be cautious. So you guys, this melt is wow, it's giving. So you can see that I just adjusted the sides. If you have like a part that's not really well melted, you just add glue as you go, spray, and then I'm trying to use this melting spray. I've never used it before, so it helps melt the lace into the skin even more. So yeah, I'm here for it. After touching up my makeup, I'm feeling myself, looking all cute. Let's do this magic. Let's see this magic. This hair is wow. So with the same contour powder, I just use it around the perimeter of the hairline so that it can blend in with my contour. So you can see that you can't tell where the skin is starting and where the lace is, and that's goals. So it's time to do edges. I don't really like edges, that much, but I love side edges. So with a small flat iron, I'll just flatten them, curl upwards the edges with mousse. I'm doing this one with mousse just because I don't like tacky edges. I prefer fluffy looking edges, and then tie them so they can dry and melt into the skin. And you guys, look at this melt. So with the same foundation, I just traced my middle parts, and wow, wow, and this side parting, kind of messy vibe. Yo, Jesus, come, yo, you, no, Jeez. This hair is mad, and there is no install without a cute snap video. So this is the wig when it's still dry with no product at all. You can see that the hair is luscious, the hair is smooth. You can wear it like this, but let's do magic with mousse. I want to wet it one part, and the other part I'll use conditioner with a little bit of water. You can see that the wet look is even more beautiful. You guys, navuze wow nabaye nkambirance, but for real, this wig is a must-have. Thank you, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. If you want to shop this look, I've left a link in the description box. I also have a link in my Instagram story. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, guys, I love you so much. Bye.